Hello everyone, if you want to log out of your Adobe Acrobat account, it's very simple. You can just follow these quick steps. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer and wait it for it to fully load. Once the app opens, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon there. It might show your initial or profile picture, and move your cursors towards the profile icon and click on it. When you click on it, a small menu will appear with different options related to your account. From the menu, look for the option that says sign out. Click on sign out and the application will show a confirmation message regarding the sign out. Make sure to tap on the sign out button given within it in order to confirm it. Then the Adobe Acrobat will immediately log you out of your account. After signing out, you may notice that the subscription-based features become unavailable until you sign in again, and that's how you can quickly log out of your Adobe Acrobat account. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.